Hello beautiful people, my name is Sew With Qurola, the face behind Qurola Designs and Fashion. Before now, I had been posting on this channel different style inspirations for fashion people, and I have been getting a lot of questions on my Facebook, most especially. How do you sew these styles? Can you show me how to sew this one? Or just random questions asking if I own a fashion school and stuff. But from now, I've decided to make it simpler for people that are just getting into the fashion industry. That's basically beginners and then other people who need tutorials. So from now on, you'll be seeing tutorial videos of how to sew basic styles, how to cut basic styles, how to join fabrics. If this is the kind of video you are looking for, please like this post, you can leave a comment for me, and also subscribe so you can see each time I post. Now, for the next couple of days, I'm going to be posting different types of measurements, how to measure for a gown, how to take measurements for a skirt, how to take measurement for a blouse, how to take measurement for trousers, how to know the crotch depth to use if your client is on the plus size, and how to take crotch depth measurement for people that are slimmer. Then also I'll be giving basic tips that fashion designers should know and look out for, especially when sewing for others. So see you in the next video. Bye.